Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Heats Parish in central Louisiana, Northwestern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, Northeastern Elton Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oakdale, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oakdale, Glenra, Turkey Creek, Pine Prairie, Alton Parish Airport, Beaver, and McNary. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.